Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk to you guys about 4 different styling methods. One will be section and smooth for less frizz, quick rake and apply method, half up, half down clump method, and flipped upside down clump method for maximum volume. So we're going to break them down into 3 sections for short hair, medium length hair, and long hair. For short hair, we recommend to use either, if you're in a hurry, you can use the quick rake and apply method, or you can use the section and smooth method. Because your hair is short, you want to section off hair piece by piece and apply product so that your hair will lay evenly. I'm going to show you guys how to use the quick rake and apply method. This method may cause some frizz, but is really fast for somebody who wants to be on the go quickly. Just going to take some product and I'm just going to rake and apply just like this. And then I'm going to scrunch. From here, I can just air dry or diffuse. If you're in a hurry, you could just air dry. Now I'm going to show you guys how to smooth and section off your hair. All you have to do is just section your hair in pieces like this. Scrunchy. Apply product. I use the brush to create more clumps. And scrunch. Now you're going to repeat this over and over and over. Take this hair, put it in the back. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Once you repeat it on all of your hair, you will either air dry or diffuse. Smooth and section method is best to create less frizz. It's best for short hair so that the hair can lay evenly. And it's best for kinky hair and also for really thick hair that needs a lot of product distribution. For volume, you can flip your hair upside down and diffuse, or you can just air dry. All right, now I'm going to show you 2 other methods that work well with medium length hair and long hair. The first method I'm going to show you is half up, half down clump method. This is to create volume and to also kind of make sure that your hair lays evenly in the back. So what I like to do is I like to make sure that my hair is soaking wet and I brush it. Then I like to apply product to it. So half up, half down is just that. So you make a section. For best clumps, use a hairbrush. And scrunch. Take a look at your hair, make sure that you see these nice clumps. If you see any skinny curls, they will turn into frizz. So make sure that they're clumped like this. Take this, put it in the back. Now what you're going to do is flip your hair to the front for volume and do the same method. . This is a do and this is a don't. This one here has stringy curls and it also has a little bit of frizz in it, whereas this one is nice and clumped. It's going to dry just like this. This one is gonna dry frizzy. All I have to do is just add a little bit of water to this, clump it, and scrunch again. Nice clumps are formed. Now I'm going to push them back. Now what you can do is air dry, or you can diffuse for more volume. We use the half up, half down method because when you flip your hair upside down for maximum volume and you style your hair that way, when you flip your hair back up, your hair is not going to lay right if it's not long enough. So I created this half up, half down method so that you can still get the volume, you can still clump your hair, and you'll get very similar results. All right guys, I'm gonna talk to you about the upside down clump method. This method is going to give you maximum volume, and if you're not careful, your hair will not lay right in the back, so this method is more for a longer or medium length hair. I'm gonna start off with really wet hair, and then I'm going to flip my hair upside down, brush it, clump it, scrunch it, and I usually diffuse upside down. I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right, now that I have all of these clumps, I'm just going to scrunch my hair. If you want your hair to lay better in the back, I would flip it to the side. Scrunch. So now what I will do is diffuse upside down for maximum volume. But as you can see, this method does not lay all the way even in the back, which is why we created the half up, half down clump method. It will be a little bit easier for even curls in the back. I just showed you 4 methods of styling your hair. I finished off with the last method, which was flip upside down, clump method for maximum volume. And I just wanted to show you my clumps that I achieved from that method. You can kind of see they're thicker curls rather than kind of stringy curls. And every year, every 2 years, methods change. People find new ways to style their hair, and we will keep you guys updated. But I wanted to show you when we first came out with Bounce Curl about 4 years ago, I used to style my hair using the quick rake and scrunch method. Now look at my before photo and look at the way I style my hair now. Do you see the difference in it? More clumps, less skinny curls. So styling your hair really matters. The method you choose really, really matters. And we are gonna come out with different methods for you guys all the time. So stay tuned.